Good day. In this video, we are looking at question 1B of the NCEA Geometric Reasoning paper in 2021. So without further ado, let's solve this problem. The question is, the pattern below has nails at the corner of ABCD. So ABCD, they are nails, okay, with the side of length 20. So this is a square 20 by 20, okay, 20 by 20. And then the nails EFGH forms a rectangle and with its corner lying symmetrically on the edges of the square. So this is the square, 90 degrees, everywhere is 90 degrees, and this is symmetrical, and this is 2, and this is 2, and AE and AF are the same length. Okay, so length EF and length GH, EF and GH are both 2 cm, and you are going to prove that length AF, okay, AF is going to be 1.41442. Show your working carefully. So this is symmetrical, so AF is equal to AE. So that's why we label them as X and X. And now we are going to find the unknown X here, okay? So we have magnified that part into this graph here, okay? So we have X, AE is X, AF is X, and the hypotenuse, which this part here, EF is 2. So we are going to find the value of X, and that is AF or AE, they must be equal to X. So to do that, this is the Pythagoras theorem. So to get your X, what you do is that you have the formula A squared plus B squared equals to H squared. The first step you do, you're going to label them. The hypotenuse is 2 because this is the longer side, and X is just the A and the B. Okay, so now we're going to substitute A, B, and H into the equation. Instead of A, we replace with X squared. Instead of B, another X squared. And instead of H, we're going to represent by 2 squared. Okay, now we're going to add them up. X squared plus X squared is going to be 2X squared equals to 4. And then to solve for X, you divide by 2 on both sides. You divide by 2, so X squared equals to 4. And then to get your X, you just square root the answer of 4. And the answer is going to be 2. Okay, we're going to move up a bit. So the square root of, 2, this becomes 2. X squared equals to 2 because 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the square root of 2, so X is the square root of 2. And the answer is 1.4142. And that is how we answer part A. Part B, okay, we are going to calculate the length W, FG, okay, FG, and then show your working. FG is W, so we have magnified that part here, okay, this triangle, W, okay, and we know that AB is 20, and we found X is 1.4142, so to get your FB here, you take 20, the whole length here, 20 minus 1.4142, and the answers come up to 18.5858. Similarly, for this part here, this is the same as the part here, X. So 20 minus 1.4142 will give us 18.5858. Okay, so now we are going to solve the W. How we do that? We're going to find using Pythagoras again. So we label them. So this is A, this is B, and this must be H. So the formula is going to be A squared plus B squared equal to H squared. And substituted is going to be 18.5858 squared plus 18.5858 squared equals to X squared or W squared. Okay, we are looking at W now, is W squared. Use your calculator. 18.5858 squared plus 18.5858 squared. It will come up to a total of 690.86, and that is equal to W squared. We are not interested in W squared, we're interested in W. So what we do, we square root the answer of 690.86, and it comes up to the answer of 26.28 centimeter. Okay, so if you get question part 1 is right, that's a merit in NCEA Level 1, and the second part is an achieve. So that is how you do question 1B of the NCEA Geometric Reasoning paper question 1B. So see you in the next one, and I'll see you soon. Cheers everyone, and have a good day.